Welcome to the in front of me DOOGEE S86 PRO, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So now you can see that we have the same wallpaper on the lock screen as on our home screen. So just to change it, we should go into the settings application, and after that here scroll to the display section. Then just tap here to wallpaper, and now we can see that we can select our new device wallpaper from our device photos previously taken on our device camera, or for example downloaded from the internet. Also we have here the default device wallpapers. For example, we can go with this one. Now we have selected this this yellow. For example, we can go with this one. Just click here on the left upper corner to set wallpaper, and we want to set this as a lock screen. Now just wait a second, and as you can see, we just successfully changed our device lock screen wallpaper. Also, we can do it by the second way. Just hold your device screen, click here to the wallpaper section. By the same way, select the wallpapers or photos, for example just once here. By the same way, here select this one, click here on the left upper corner and tap on the lock screen. Now just wait, and when we lock the device, we can see that we just again successfully change our device lock screen wallpaper. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.